Well, there it is. We found good pipe. So that pipe's clean. Now we got to attach a Y to connect this 8-inch. And then run the rest of the 12-inch up this trench that we took the old 12-inch out of. We didn't have to take it all out, which was good. So we'll connect it here and then run it all the way down the ditch. Nice new clean pipe. I got all the rock from the driveway over here on this side and all the spoils from the trench and the dirt on that side. It was a big bunch of roots from this tree right here that had pushed the pipe up and didn't allow it to flow anymore. That in a combination with that washout that he had. It was actually the neighbors that had done some dirt work and it ran down into his pipe. See you next time.